Let's go! Ah, ah, oh, ooh, ooh.
Hey, Roger! Roger! It's time for a new crap! Oh, what happened to you?
Oh, Sammy, I guess I've got a cold.
Oh no, why? Who am I gonna make a new craft with?
Hold on, Sammy. I think I might have a solution. I know a guy.
Oh? Hello?
Hey, pal, we need your help here. Can you come over?
Oh, yeah! Okie dokie. I'm gonna need... here they are. And also... Nope. Now we're talking.
So who did you call? This is incredible. This is...
Hey, Mario, buddy! I always knew I could count on you.
I can't believe it!
Hello, Sammy. Let's go. I'll help you.
Hi guys! Welcome to the Mario world!
Where is my partner? Double click.
I'm here and I'm in character too! I even managed to bring the first piece. I'm so excited!
Wow. Ooh. Sam, weren't you planning to dress up like Luigi?
Oopsie. We'll change this during the video editing. And you'd better stay in your character. We're gonna have a super race today, guys!
That's a 2. So watch closely. Ah. Oh, yeah.
Mario's mushroom strength in action!
Wanna see the key to winning the race? We need a cool joystick to be able to reach the highest speed.
Wow! Careful, it's my first drive. Where's the brake here?
Your steering wheel needs a small enhancement. Let's glue these 2 cardboard pieces together, like this. Vroom, vroom! Hey, make way! The winner is on the track! And we're done with it.
Don't you think that this steering wheel needs more of an upgrade?
Well, of course. Ah! Oh. Hiya! Just kidding.
Do everything neatly, guys! Yay! I helped! Now it's time to put together the 2 ready pieces!
Thanks, Sam. Here we go. Awesome! We can say we're done with the steering part. Beep, beep.
Mario, are we ready? I've started training on tiny race cars. Hey, say something!
I'm lacking speed here.
So what should we do? We can't win any race not being able to speed up.
Don't worry. We have all we need right from the factory. Well, let's check out what's in here. Oh, yup. Just what we need. Whoop. And like this. But how should we... Ah! So, how are we doing? Wow!
Guys, the most interesting part is yet to come. Feel free to subscribe and give us a thumbs up.
There you go!
Wow, so another joystick is going to be hidden inside the pedal? Cool! Let me speed things up. One more time. Shiver me shudders! It's like there's a speed block or something. What should we do?
I think we just need to do a little more work. Ah! Whoa, what a piece we got ourselves. We just need to work it up a notch. And here's what we've got. This way. We need to push it well. Ah!
Oh, this will be huge from every angle. I guess Mario will be good without me.
Come on, Sam. The race is coming soon. Did you chicken out?
Excuse me? Slimes are the bravest creatures according to Slime Wikipedia.
Right. Oh, whoosh. Yeah.
Super strong, you see? I'm even stronger than Mario himself.
Then we won't need any power-ups on the race. It's a vast advantage.
But that doesn't mean that I don't need help. It's heavy, Mario. Whoa!
Oh. Ah. Now we're talking.
Holy cannoli, we're driving! Where are we going? What's the highest speed possible?
I don't know yet, but this is so cool.
Don't you see that the racetrack is invisible? The training ground is empty.
You're right. Then we should move on to the next stage of the craft.
It totally slaps. But what exactly are these?
Ooh, side panels, awesome, huh?
I've never seen anything like this. Whee!
Well, we're almost done here. And the main screen is in its place.
Wow, Mario, you did great making that huge thing. But as for me, you're still not fast enough.
Oh, seriously? What are you going to say about this? No rush with hot glue. 1, 2, 3, and let's go. Awesome. What else? Well, sure.
Did you come up with something else?
You'll see.
But, huh?
Let's just add some cool decor.
Well, I wasn't idling my thumbs either. Check it out. Oh.
Well, Sammy, you're a real engineer. But I can also do something. A little bit here. And... oh, it works. Why don't we finish the decor with such a cool ribbon? Just a little bit more. Like this. Glue here. Press well. Great. Whoa. And here goes my personal logo. Now everyone will know who the craft master is here. Come on. How come? Mario was so engrossed in the race that he didn't even notice how much time has passed. Guys, did you like our video today? Give us a thumbs up if yes. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Yes. See you later.